As always, don't forget to check the video description down below for the best prices on the parts and tools we use in today's project. Today I'm working on this It's a Troy-Bilt pony. It's a 15.5 horsepower, 500cc lawnmower. It's a 42-inch cut. I don't know if there's a model number, but anyways, it looks like this. I'll try and put a model number in the video description below. But basically, I went and cranked this thing and rode it for like a minute, and all of a sudden it went clack, 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 and it made like this plastic noise. Basically, what I found was this piece. It's like the fan. It's called like a fan clutch. Again, I'll put that in the video description, but I think it's like a fan clutch. It's right inside of here, and so I had to buy this and go ahead and replace this. So I'm going to show you how to replace this piece right here. And basically, what we got to do is we're going to come over here, and it's going to look something like this when we pop the hood, okay? And you got to turn this little thing to unlock it, pop this off. Then you're going to take your little air filter, get that off to the side. Then we have 4 bolts. We got 2 sitting right up here. Bring the phone all the way up in here so we can see. Keep bringing it closer to my fingers. So you got a bolt here and a bolt here. I believe they are 10mm bolts. And then you have a bolt here and a bolt over here. Alright, and I've already removed the bolts. To get to these 2 bolts, you have to remove 3 of the 4 gas can holder fasteners, okay? There's one here, and then there's 2 on this side. Hey, Zeke. And then there's 2 on this side. Come, bring it a little bit closer. And you can see right here, I think it's like a T25, T27, T30, something like that. And then you'll take 3 of them off. And then, as you can see, you can lift this thing up and out of your way when there's just one sitting left in there. And then once you take those bolts out, this piece will come up and off and out of your way. Now, we're getting to where we're going to take this part off. So you're going to take a little flathead screwdriver, pop up under here, and then we've got this big old 24mm. I'm going to grab my gun. Oh, you got it right there. And we can see 24. And I don't know a good way to do this without an impact, but this is the 1/2-inch Milwaukee impact. So I'm going to put this on here. And I'm trying to think. You could probably try and fandangle like a screwdriver and just take a ratchet and a 24, but I'm just gonna pop it off like so, and then we'll be able to take this off, and then that's it, y'all. Now I can put my new fan. It's got 2 little notches, one right there, one right there. It just fits down in here like so, and then you can put this on. I'm gonna take the new one, wherever the new one is. I think it. Okay, guys, so the new one is actually a little bigger than the old one, which is weird because the new grill they gave me was the same size as the old grill and it wouldn't even fit on top of this, but who cares? So what I did is I took the old grill, I just snipped the base like this right here. I snipped this base off. Also, what it does is it blocks rocks and stuff. I'm not going to advise you to do this on your own vehicle or your own lawnmower, but it'll work for me, so I'm just going to show you all what I'm doing. I'm going to run this bolt down. This bolt, the only thing it holds on is this plastic piece. It is quite a bolt for just a little plastic piece. We're just going to ram this back on there. That's it. So now, we got our new fan on there. And I made sure, even though it's bigger, I made sure it clears everything. This little shield, it was having a little trouble with, so I just kind of bent stuff back. So that's pretty much it. We'll put the cover back on, and it should clear. I'll give you a link in the video below for everything I got. And that's it, y'all. So thanks for watching.